A very good day to everyone watching this video. This is R. Brainard Samuel, who I'm currently pursuing my BTech degree under the Pondicherry University in Manakala Institute of Technology, Pondicherry. And my CT number is 2017-227-085 Again, I'm saying CT 2017-227-085. And now let us just enter into our project, which is all about face detection. And here is my project.
And once again, providing the information about myself as you see here for your reference, I would like to now go into the code for explaining that. And here is the code, which is like as shown here. First, I will just try to explain all that is the files which I have just included into the code, and then I would like to explain the code. First of all, let us see the Harris Cascade file, which I have used for face detection. Then the other two facial expression models, that is the JSON model as well as the weight model, which I have used for emotion finding. And then we go for age finding, for which we use the age deploy as well as the age net functions. And this is the test image, which I have just provided as the input for this code. And now let us just enter into the code. This is the age range which I've just provided for the code, and this is the various emotions which I've just provided for this code. And as I told before, we will just be including the Harris Cascade file for face detection, which I have just used here. And then by using this file, we just detect the face in the given model, which is the test image, and then we just go for emotion detection, for which we just use the two models, that is the facial expression model JSON as well as the facial expression weight model, that is the H5 file, which I've just used here. And then we thus manage to find the emotion of the person by using these two models, and then we just go to find the age of the person, which we have just shown as shown here, where we just use the AgeNet Cafe model as well as the age deploy model for companiongly finding the age of the person. And due to the lack of time, I would like to just conclude with these words. And this is the output of the code. The Harris Cascade file, which is trained, thus provides the output which is detecting the face of the person in the given image. And then we go for detecting the age. And as it is not clear, I have just given it above. And then as shown here, we just predict the emotion of the person. And now going to the pros and cons of the code, I would like to insist on this point. That is, we have just provided an efficient code, as it is a well-trained model which we have used, that is the XML5. And I would like to show the real data set which we have used in this case, which is this one. And so I am damn sure that it is an efficient model. And apart from that, coming to the cons of the code, I'd like to insist that the age as well as the emotion are just confined to some boundaries. That is, the age is not an accurate measure. That is, it is a limit between 15 to 20 or 0 to 2 or so on. And the emotion also, it is just confined to 7 emotions, and the intermediates are just left. And with this note, I would like to conclude with this point that though this code is an efficient one, this thing happens to be a disadvantage, and we'll just make it to a perfect code in the near coming future. And with these words, I would like to thank you once again for your patience, and thank you.